There's a 12-volt halogen lamp for cars and motorbikes. It's an incandescent bulb, obviously. It's got a tungsten element. It's filled with, it's quartz glass filled with halogen. These last for a few years. So it's got two elements running inside of it. I presume for main and low beam, so that looks like your low beam there. And if you connect the other element, sort of like bypasses that smaller one, and glows a lot brighter. If you touch that quartz, eventually the heat will damage that, so when you fit these, don't touch the glass.